Good morning, students. I am Ilman here. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 14, that is lines and angles. Okay. Today my topic is parallel lines, transversal and angles. So let's start our teaching learning process for today. So first of all, I would like to tell you about parallel lines. Parallel lines are the opposite lines with same distances apart along the length. If I take these two scales, suppose these are lines and means opposite lines. These are opposite lines with same distances. With it is not like that. Okay, it is means opposite lines with same distances apart along the length. Apart along the length. The distance between AB and suppose this is AB and this is CD. It is same. If it is like this, the distance between AB and this line and this line is not same. So we can say the opposite lines with same distances apart along the length are called parallel lines. Parallel lines. For parallel lines, you should put arrows. Means both of the lines extend endlessly in either directions. So this is AB line and this is CD. So we can say AB is parallel to CD. The distance between this is same. The distance between line AB and CD, it is same. It is same. And the directions of both extend endlessly in either directions. Then we use symbol, this one, this symbol. This symbol is used for parallel line. So we can say AB is parallel to. This symbol is used for is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. This symbol is used for parallel lines. We read it. AB is parallel to CD. AB is parallel to CD. Okay. So means opposite lines with same distance apart along the length are called parallel lines. Parallel lines never meet each other. Parallel lines never meet each other. Then the distance between AB and CD are the same and these lines can be extended endlessly in either direction. The lines AB and CD are called parallel lines. We use the symbol, this one is parallel to. This symbol for parallel lines. The lines AB and CD are parallel lines. If we take three lines and one more line here in between, we can draw another figure. We are taking three lines. Three lines. This is AB. This is PQ. And this is CD. We can say कि AB and CD is also parallel to line PQ. AB and CD both lines are parallel to PQ. Both lines AB and CD both lines are parallel to PQ. Then you can take examples of the railway tracks. Railway tracks. Have you seen railway tracks? The railway tracks never meet each other. This is also one of the example of parallel lines. Then suppose this is a whiteboard and this aluminium strip. The whiteboard is fenced with aluminium strip. So this side is parallel to this side and this side is parallel to that side. So parallel lines. Now let's learn about transversal line. When two parallel lines are being intersected, when two parallel lines are being intersected by a third line at two distinct points, then that third line will be called the transversal line. Transversal. Okay. So transversal, when two parallel lines L and M are being intersected by a third line, this third line. This is a third line. This is line L, this is line M, and this is line, third line N. This is being, yes, these parallel lines L and M are being intersected by this third line N at two distinct points. So this third line will be called the transversal line. Line L and M are being intersected by the third line N. This is the third line N at two distinct points A and B. You can name A and B. So this third line N will be called the transversal line. Okay, this will be called transversal, a line that intersects two or more parallel or non-parallel lines. It can also intersect two non-parallel lines also. Non-parallel lines. And these are non-parallel lines. Okay. These are non-parallel lines. So we can say that a transversal line when intersects two parallel or non-parallel lines at two distinct points, then this third line will be called R line will be called transversal line. Okay, when a line intersects two parallel or non-parallel lines at two distinct points, then the line will be called this line R is intersecting line P and Q at two distinct points X and Y. So this third line, which is intersecting two non-parallel lines, and here this line N is intersecting two parallel lines L and M at 2 points A and B. Then the third line, here N is transversal and here R is small r is a transversal line. Then the line called a transversal. Will be called transversal. This is about transversal line. Transversal line is a line that intersects two or more lines. Lines may be parallel or not parallel. Then comes angles. I think you look at the clock daily. Yes. And two of the hands make of the clock make an angle. Means you know about a ray. A ray has one starting point, initial point, and extend endlessly in one of the direction. You have already learned about ray. So we can say when two rays, you already know this is the initial point of a ray and extend and lastly in one direction. Okay, these are rays, examples of ray here. Ray means there are when two rays have the same end point, when these rays are joined at their common end point. Here common end point is B, this is C, this is A, and both of these rays has common end point. When two rays are joined at the common end point, then angle is formed. When two rays meet each other at a point, this is at a point, the point, then angle is formed. So BA and BC are two arms of the circle, are called two arms of the circle, and B is called the vertex. Here BA and BC, this is a symbol for ray, are rays meeting with common end point B. So when two rays meet each other at common endpoint, then angle is formed. An angle is formed. Then angle is formed. When two rays meet each other at common endpoint, then angle is formed. Then angle is formed. Then angle is formed. So we use symbol. We use symbol this much. This symbol is used for showing an angle. Okay, we use the symbol this for angle, for showing an angle. So here BA, arms of angle, here angle, this is angle ABC, angle ABC or angle CBA. Always this vertex is kept in the center while writing the angle name. While writing the angle name, always vertex should be kept in the center here. This is angle CBA or angle ABC. This is the vertex. Here vertex O. Vertex is O. Sorry, vertex. It is here. Vertex is B. Here, sorry, vertex is B here. Here, vertex is B and arms are we can write here. Here vertex is B and arms BC and BA will be called arms of an angle. Arms of an angle. Here vertex B and arms are which one? BC and BA. These are arms of here of an angle CBA, or we can write ABC. Try to keep this vertex in the center while writing the name of an angle. And you have also seen compasses here and that divider in your geometry box. That divider is also an example of here. This is one of the example of here angle. When two rays meet each other at a point, then angle is formed. Angle is formed here. Angle is formed. Or you can look at the hands of a clock. Hands of a clock. Here, this is hour hand and minute hand. Both of these hands are making angles. This is also one of the example of angles. Then you have also seen scissors at your home. Scissors at your home. That is also one of the example of angles. And you will learn about parallel lines, transversal, and angle. About an angle. And try to complete here chapter number 14. Practice zone 1, 2. Okay, 1, 2 of chapter 14. Okay, homework. This is chapter 14. Do practice zone 1, 2 of your book, Discovering Maths. So stay alert, stay healthy. Thank you and have a nice day.